Now, before we get started, let me just tell you a little bit about myself. My name is Matthew Bout, and I am an entrepreneur for entrepreneurs. This means that I help businesses in their entrepreneurship. I usually take a stand as the right-hand man of the CEO, and then I usually help them in their sales and marketing processes. Now, the most important thing you have to know about me is that I'm a father and a husband. I have two lovely children, ages almost 10 and almost 6, Jerome and Jacqueline, and I have a lovely wife. So that's the most important thing you have to know about me. Furthermore, I have 20 years of sales experience, maybe even longer, because everything we do in life is about sales. Everything is about convincing other people, whether it's selling goods and services or selling yourself or trying to sell an idea. Everything is about selling. Now, within that field of sales, I have a very specific expertise, which is that I'm a trade show specialist. I help companies to maximize their trade shows. So the only thing I do is I take a stand in the hallway, in the alley, and everyone that passes by, I try to stop. And I just ask a simple question. Hi, have you seen anything new at the trade show today? And then they stop, and then I take them on the stand at the trade show. And then I just start writing down their name, their company, what they're looking for. And I just try to frame them in the BAND framework, which is budget, authority, the need, and the timeline. And with all that information, we're going to call them back, and then we're going to put them in the sales cycle. Then we're just going to follow them up. But I'm going to tell you a little bit more about that later in this course. Now, I'm also the founder of Walker Milton. Walker Milton is my business development agency. So I help businesses at the level of sales and marketing. And I also play music at The Shots, which is a little band in Antwerp, in Belgium. We just play a little bit of evergreens, a little bit of music. It's just for fun. I'm also a photographer. And I'm an amateur photographer, but I try to take that to another level, a little higher level than just an amateur. So, and if you Google me, you'll find a lot more about that. Quite recently, I was in Hong Kong. I did a series of tilt shift photography, miniature photography, which hit the news. It's quite fun. You can Google it. You can look it up. Matthew Bout in Hong Kong. And lastly, I'm an author, and I've just written a book, The Final Workday of the Top Salesman, which is a book about selling at a trade show. My idea is if you work very hard at a trade show, you're not going to have to work another day for the rest of the year. Now, what is my intention for this course? My intention is not to bombard you with a lot of information that you cannot use. No. If you just have like 1 or 2 very specific insights in this course, then I'm going to be happy. They have to be practical. They have to be usable for you and your business. So I wish you good luck with that. If you have more questions, you can always ask me, of course. And I want to close this with the saying of Socrates. I cannot teach people anything. I can only make them think. It's not up to me to teach you anything, but if I can just give you a little bit of information that you can process and that you can use afterwards, then I'm going to be a happy man. So in any case, good luck with this course. If you have any questions, just ask them in the comments below. Thank you so much. Bye.